southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, east central. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the southwestern city of Manassas in northern Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linton Hall to 10 miles west of Stafford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Linton Hall, Manassas, New Baltimore, Independent Hill, Nokesville, Catlett, Calverton, Roseville, Auburn, Garrisonville, Ramoth, Avon, Heflin, Aquia, Stork, Ruby, Somerville, Bristersburg, and Goldvine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.